From stitching together your favorite t-shirt to crafting decorative pillows and upholstery, sewing machines help us create so many everyday items and projects. But have you ever wondered what it takes to construct the most rugged, heavy-duty sewing machines used in manufacturing factories? In this video, we're going inside a factory that manufactures some extremely powerful industrial sewing machines. Then, let's get started. We're entering the high-tech manufacturing facility through enormous roll-up warehouse doors that allow heavy equipment and raw materials to be easily transported in and out. Right away on the 50,000 square foot factory floor, we notice rows of partially assembled industrial sewing machines in various stages of production. The loud sounds of machining equipment shaping metal castings combine with the din of assembly operations to produce a symphony of manufacturing. Over 150 skilled employees work diligently at this plant, completing up to 500 sewing machine units per day. We can observe precision casting machines molding sturdy metal frames and body components from aluminum and steel alloys. How exactly are these strong, durable parts shaped from raw metal materials? What specific processes give them the strength to withstand constant puncturing motions against heavy fabrics? These parts are then hand-finished by expert polishers and painters before being assembled into the backbone of the sewing machines. From rough castings to smooth, attractively painted components, what does this careful hand-finishing process involve? What specialized skills does it require to transform the textured metal pieces into gleaming bodies ready for precision assembly? Other critical components like servo motors, drive shafts, bobbin cases, and controller circuit boards arrive in boxes from specialized third-party suppliers. What hidden mechanisms will these parts become once fully integrated into the metal bodies? How will they empower such nimble automated functionality and precision stitching? These surrounding industries provide parts that will soon combine with the factory's metal frames during final assembly. It's here where all the individually fabricated pieces and purchased components finally come together under one roof to transform into powerful, fully operational industrial sewing machines ready for factories. We watch a ballet of forklifts and employees moving materials between busy machining stations, hand-finishing areas, and the main factory floor assembly lines in smooth coordination. What choreography ensures this diverse range of components navigates the various production areas and arrives precisely where needed? It's clear an incredible amount of synchronized planning and activity happens behind the scenes long before these rugged stitching machines ship out the warehouse doors. Skilled technicians carefully assemble the inner mechanisms that control needle movement and thread tension. How do they ensure perfect alignment and smooth motion between hundreds of individual parts? What expertise guides their hands in fitting together springs, levers, drive shafts, and cam assemblies by touch? These inner workings must synchronize flawlessly for optimal stitch formation across fabrics from sheer silk to tough upholstery vinyl. Powerful servo motors and linked drive belts are mounted into metal housings along sturdy, shining stainless steel shafts. How will kinetic energy transfer from the motors through moving belts and shafts to drive the stitching mechanisms? Next, the assembled equipment undergoes methodical cleaning and precision lubrication before conveying down the streamlined assembly line. Now we see stations where industrial sewing heads, computerized user interfaces, and electric control boxes get attached to the mechanical assemblies. What communication occurs between microchips and motors to guide automated sewing? At this phase, each finished machine vigorously sews test material to verify proper function before a final quality assurance checklist. Flawless performance and durability benchmarks must be met. They are very serious about extreme reliability here. Given the non-stop use over multiple shifts in factories, how do these checks give customers confidence during continuous operation? The last step is packaging the heavy-duty sewing machines into wooden crates for global distribution. Seeing the final products ready for shipment gives us an appreciation for the intricacy involved in manufacturing these powerhouse stitchers. When you watch a sewing machine effortlessly punching needle after needle through thick, tough material, it's easy to take for granted what's happening below the surface. But now we know the remarkable engineering and assembly work required to build these industrial workhorses. Getting an inside look reveals how much skilled preparation goes into constructing durable products able to withstand factory conditions and non-stop use. Next time you see an industrial sewing machine rapidly stitching straight seams across waxed canvas by the yard, or swiftly sewing a circle of soft leather pieces into a weatherproof baseball, you'll have a deeper admiration for the manufacturing behind the magic. What everyday items and essential products do you think are created by high-speed sewing machines? Leave me your best guesses in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.